Hi there, Craig Petty here with Albion Magic and another Albion Magic exclusive. This is by the super talented Steve Evans. I'm sure everybody knows Steve. And this is called Kids Cards Across. Now, you know, kids entertainers, one thing that we need is tricks that pack flat. And this packs incredibly flat. Literally, that's all you need in your table. But it plays to a massive room. Now, you've got a couple of different routines in here. There's a counting routine. And there's also the cards across routine. I'm going to kind of basically just walk you through the cards across. I'm not going to do the presentation, but Steve has kindly put in there literally hundreds of jokes, all to do with tigers and horses. So you can adapt it to your own personality. The idea is that you're on stage and you have a couple of packets of cards, and you show the cards to the kids, and you say, I've got some horses here. I've actually got 4 cards, and each one of these cards, hopefully you can see that, has got a horse on it. There you go. So you've got 4 cards with horses on them, and you ask the question, you know, what noise do horses make, so on and so forth, and you know you get them involved like that. And then you say that you've got 4 cards with tigers on. What sort of noise does a tiger make? And the kids will tell you what sort of noise a tiger makes. Here's what you do. Okay, guys. Here's what you do. You put the tiger cards to one side of the stage. You put the horse cards to the other side of the stage, and you get 8 kids to come up and help you. You get 4 kids to stand on this side of the stage, 4 kids to stand on this side of the stage, and these 4 kids have to pretend to be horses. These 4 kids have to pretend to be tigers. And then the idea is that you say you're going to make the tigers and the horses change places. So when you say go, one of the kids from this side and one of the kids from this side runs from one side of the stage to the other. But as they do, they make the noises and they pretend. So this person pretends to be a horse and goes galloping to this side. This person pretends to be a tiger and roars his way over to this side of the stage. So it's quite a lot of byplay, you know, when that sort of thing happens, it's really, really funny. And then you kind of play it up in a sucker kind of way, and you go, fantastic, and now the 4 tigers are over here and the 4 horses are over here. Fantastic. At which point the kids will say, you know, but the cards haven't moved. And at which point you then pick up this packet and you say, well, actually you're wrong, because now we have a situation where we have all 4 tiger cards over here, and as well as having the 4 tiger cards over here, you have the 4 horse cards over here, and you actually show that the cards have changed places, which is a really, really, really nice premise. And then what you do to finish off is you say, when I say go, I want all 4 horses to run back over that side, and I want all 4 tigers to run back over that side. 3, 2, 1, go! And then you pick up this packet again, and you show that you've now got 4 tiger cards back here. And then not only have you got 4 tiger cards back here, but you've also got 4 horse cards back over here. And that's the trick. It's really nice. Even though it only uses little cards, it plays massive, because it's not so much about what's happening to the cards, it's what's happening to the kids. And come on, how many different routines do you know where you can have 8 kids on the stage getting involved and having the rest of the audience involved as well? It's a great trick, perhaps absolutely small. As I say, there's a couple of other routines in there, and Steve has been so kind as to put 12 million jokes in about horses and tigers. Guys, it's a really great trick, and it's available exclusively from Albion Magic.